Okay, right here we can see this knobs is missing. It's missing, and we can see have a part. The PCB part are broken because some crash. These knobs have 4 parts, but have 1 part is missing. We can try to add some tin. Okay, use the solder to add the tin. Yes, we can see have one part is broken. So what we can do to solder the knobs on the part? So what we can do? So that is the power. That is what we see in today. Okay, for this problem, what we can do to fix this problem? Normally, we can use the enameled wire to connecting from other part to this part and put the knobs. It will be okay. Yes, it will be working, but I'm not recommend. So what I do to fix this problem? Okay, today I bring new thing come here. Is this one? It is PCB, but it is like a paper. Yes, we can see it is like a paper, and we call it is hard paper, and it is in this paper. It have 2.9 P, 2.9, 3.9, and 4.8, and 5.9. And normally we can like this. We can cut the part. We can cut the part of paper to put on the PCB. Then we can put new knobs on the part paper. It will be okay. So what do we do? What do we do to fix this problem? Okay, in the next I will show you. Okay, we go to next. Okay, for fix this problem, in the first we need to know this part is for what? Because every knobs have 4 parts: color and power. So first we need to know this part is for what? Is for color or for the power? So we need to test it. The power connecting is like a rod. The color connecting is like a color. Okay, we need to testing this one with this one. Yes, this is the color because it is connecting. If we testing here, it's not working. It's not. We cannot hear any sound. Okay, and this one. Yeah, also it's color. This one also is color. So this and this and this is a color. The last one, the missing this one should be the power. Also we can do testing the number 2 to other knobs. Yes, we can hear something. Yeah, the rod is connecting. So it is for the power. So we need to connecting this part to here. So and right now we use this paper, and also we need to know which is the power. 4 pin, this one with this one, no. This one with this one, no. This one with this one, no. Yes, we can see this one is the power. So we need to cut from here to here. If this part is for the color, we need to cut from here to here to connecting from here to connect right here. But right now we need to connect from here to here. So we cut from here to here. Okay, we try to cut. We need to cut 2 knobs. Two knobs. Okay. Okay, 2 knobs. Two knobs. Okay, cut more. Okay. Well, now we need to put the part paper on the PCB, and we need to know which one is the power. Okay, like this. Like this. We need to use the solder to fix this part paper on the PCB. Okay. Use the tin wire. And right now we can see. We can testing this part to this part. Yes, it's connecting. It's connecting. So right now we just put the new knobs. It will be okay. Right now we just put the new knobs. It will be okay. Okay, we try to put the new knobs. Keep the knobs. Keep the angle same with other. Okay, another one. Okay, one side, it's okay. On the other side, we need to use the air gun. Because it is 2.9, so I cannot use the solder to solder another side. Okay, we must do another knobs. Okay, the knobs are okay. And now we do the testing. We do the testing for the module. It's okay. Testing. Yeah.